My dear brothers and sisters, in the Gospel's accounts we hear three classes of people, the Sadducees, the Pharisees and the scribes. Now who are these people? The Sadducees are those people who do not believe in the resurrection. Then today we heard about the scribes and the Pharisees. Who are they and when did they come into focus? If you look at the Jewish history, you find initially there were no such people called the Pharisees and the scribes. But in the course of time, they arose because of the felt need at that time. They needed so-called elders who will show the way, writers who will write for them, so-called interpret the laws for them. So they came up and slowly they became very, very powerful. In Gospel passage today, we have Jesus having a dig at them. He in a way tells us what these people say and do and what they think about themselves, but they will not move an inch to do what they say. So the message for us in today's gospel passage is quite simple. We have a lot of leaders in the country of various degrees, and they talk and talk and talk. When you come to the practical life, do they practice, do they do what they say? So Jesus tells us today in quite simple language, let not your mouth speak, let not your mind speak, let your heart speak. When people see your heart speaking through actions, through deeds, he says that is enough.